Disconnect the power prior to disassembly. Remove 2 Torx 20 screws. Push the top plate backwards and remove it. The top plate is held by several clips in the front. You may need to use some force. When the top plate is removed, you can replace the pressure sensor, the AC filter and/or the input valves. We will now remove the control panel, which contains the main and display PCB. Remove the detergent tray. Press the blue clip down. Remove 2 Torx 20 screws. Remove a third screw in front. Now you can remove the control panel. This includes the main and display PCB. It may help to use a wide scoop to release the detergent tray. Firmly pull up and forward at the same time. Use 1 or 2 red scoops to release the connectors. The black connector is aligned to the right, so not centered. The power connectors are quite stiff. You may need to use some force and/or pliers to pull them out. Now we will disassemble the front. Remove 2 Torx 20 screws from the top bracket first. Gently remove the top bracket. Remove the pump cover and Torx 20 screw. Release the clips and remove the pump cover housing. Release the hoses on top, 1 Torx 20 screw and the clip. Release the door lock. Remove the Torx 20 screw. Press to the left and then inwards. If needed, press the black pin to the inside as well. Now detach the rubber gasket from the front. Use a spring extension jig. You may alter the position of the spring when you reassemble the unit. This may prevent vibrations of the door. Release the screw at the bottom. This is a Torx 20 screw. Release the 2 screws on top. These are Torx 25 screws. The front is held by plastic knobs. When the screws are removed, the front will not drop. Pull the front up and forward. You may need to use some force. The balance weight and circulation pump are accessible now. When you reassemble the appliance, you must use a torque wrench for the balance weight bolts and screws. The drain pump is on the right. There is an emergency door opening mechanism. It's made of blue plastic. There's no detachable panel on the back. You must put the appliance on a side to access the motor and motor driver PCB. Depending on the part that you need to replace, you can put the appliance on the left or right side. Make sure there's no water left prior to doing this. The motor driver PCB, pumps and motor are accessible now. The motor is held by 3 screws. Only 1 screw is visible here. These are Torx 40 screws. You need a Torx 40 wrench to release the motor.